NFTX is a platform that allows users to tokenize their NFTs and trade them in a decentralized marketplace. The platform works by converting your NFTs into ERC20 tokens, making them easier to trade and use in decentralized finance (DeFi) applications. Users can create vaults containing specific collections of NFTs, which can then be purchased as a tokenized asset. This opens up new ways for investors and collectors to diversify their NFT holdings, and also provides liquidity to the NFT market. The marketplace works by allowing users to swap, buy, and sell NFTs through its tokenization system. It creates opportunities for NFT owners to access liquidity without having to sell their entire collection. NFTX also supports staking, which enables users to earn rewards for holding specific NFT-backed tokens. By participating in staking, you can earn a share of the platform's fees, making it an attractive option for long-term holders. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. NFTX also integrates with various DeFi platforms, expanding its functionality for users looking to leverage their NFT holdings in additional ways. Whether you want to use your NFT tokens for collateral in DeFi lending platforms or trade them for other assets, the platform offers seamless integration with a wider crypto ecosystem. This makes NFTX an essential tool for anyone looking to maximize their involvement in the NFT space. The platform offers a variety of tools for both seasoned investors and newcomers to the world of NFTs. With its user-friendly interface, NFTX aims to make it easy for anyone to start interacting with tokenized NFTs. Whether you are looking to invest in the hottest NFT collections or simply want to explore new ways of using NFTs, NFTX provides a comprehensive suite of features to meet your needs. To get started, simply visit the NFTX platform, connect your wallet, and explore the available vaults and tokens. You can buy or sell NFT-backed tokens, stake your assets to earn rewards, and keep track of your holdings with real-time updates. The platform's transparency and user-focused design make it a trustworthy destination for anyone interested in the future of NFTs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things NFT.